Peter Carpizzo's kitchen. Farro, the ancient grain. The ancient grain from the Egyptians into the Mediterranean. Here it is in my hand. It looks a little like pearl barley. So today we're making chicken breast with multicolored peppers and onions with our farro. So I already have our chicken breast browning, and I'm going to bring it over so that Anthony can get a picture of it. Here we have our chicken breast browning. Okay, so this is really simple. We're going to do a slow cooker recipe today. In goes our peppers and onions. In goes our peppers and onions. And you let this soak the farro for just a little bit, maybe an hour or so. And then whatever water's in there, in it goes. Everything goes. Everything goes in. Everything goes in. Okay? And then we're going to add about a half cup of wine, because we like our wine and things. So we're going to give this about a half cup of wine. Oh, maybe a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to give it just a little of Carpizzo's famous marinara tomato sauce. So we have a little sauce in here. Okay? And then what we're going to do is mix it, and take a look at it. Get it all mixed in here so everything is mixed together. Okay? And then make sure, because you have a grain that's kind of like barley, that's kind of like rice, it's going to puff up. So what we're going to do is cover that with just a little water so that it just covers everything. Right here. Just a little more water. And you can adjust this. And in it goes. So now we're covered. We're covered. Give it another good stir. So everything. Don't worry about the size you make your peppers or your onions. Okay. And into the slow cooker we're going to go. And we're going to set our timer at high in our slow cooker for 3 hours. So there you have it. We'll show you later. This is Peter Carpizzo's. Use your slow cooker. It's a great appliance. Pete at Carpizzo's, out.